Just about what tastes better. It's actually a battle between your brain's craving for immediate pleasure and its need for long-term nourishment. The choice you make can influence not just your mood, but your mental sharpness and energy for hours to come. It's no accident. They're designed to be addictive, giving you a quick rush that fades just as fast, often leaving you feeling sluggish or unsatisfied. Nuts, in contrast, are packed with healthy fat. Long after the snack is gone. Have you ever wondered why junk food is so hard to resist, even when you know it's not the healthiest choice? The answer lies deep within the brain's reward system, where powerful chemicals like dopamine play a starring role. When you see or even think about your favorite fast food, your brain lights up with anticipation, setting off a cascade of signals that make you crave that salty, sweet, or fatty treat. This isn't just about willpower. Your brain is wired to seek out foods that provide quick bursts of pleasure and energy. Eating junk food triggers a surge of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter which creates a sense of reward and satisfaction. This rush of pleasure is so powerful that it can override your body's natural hunger cues, making you crave more even when you're not truly hungry. Over time, your brain starts to associate these foods with comfort and happiness, reinforcing the habit and making it even harder to break the cycle. What's more, processed foods are carefully engineered to hit what scientists call the bliss point, that perfect combination of sugar, fat, and salt that keeps you coming back for more. Food companies spend millions researching how to make snacks irresistible, tweaking flavors and textures until they're almost impossible to put down. This isn't accidental, it's a deliberate strategy to keep you reaching for just one more bite. The result is a cycle of overconsumption that can lead to feelings of guilt, regret, and even addiction. You might find yourself eating far more than you intended, only to feel unsatisfied and wanting more. This pattern can be difficult to break, especially when junk food is everywhere you look. Our brains evolved in a world where high-calorie foods were rare and valuable, so we're naturally drawn to them. But in today's world, where processed snacks are cheap, convenient, and available at every turn, this ancient survival mechanism can work against us, throwing our natural balance out of sync. This creates a disconnect between what we crave and what our bodies actually need to thrive. While our taste buds scream for chips and cookies, our bodies are quietly asking for real nourishment, foods that fuel us, not just fill us. The first step to breaking free from this cycle is recognizing how food companies manipulate our cravings and understanding the science behind our urges. By becoming more aware of these tactics, you can start to make more mindful choices and take back control over what you eat. With this awareness, you can choose foods that truly nourish your body and mind, supporting your health and well-being for the long term. Remember, knowledge is power, and every small step toward healthier choices makes a difference. Regularly choosing junk food over nutritious options changes your body and mind. Over time, you crave more junk, lose sensitivity to natural foods, and your health declines. Junk food affects not just your body, but your mood and focus too. The brain, deprived of nutrients, struggles to function, fueling a cycle of poor choices. Replacing junk food with nourishing alternatives is key. Choose foods rich in vitamins and minerals to restore balance. Small changes can reverse the damage and support long-term well-being. Nuts are natural neurochemical regulators that support brain health. They're packed with magnesium, omega-3s, vitamin B6, and selenium. These nutrients regulate neurotransmitters, reduce stress, and protect the brain. Unlike junk food, nuts provide steady nourishment and mental clarity. Adding nuts to your diet helps your brain function at its best. This simple shift can improve mood, focus, and your relationship with food. Embark on a 10-day neurochemical reset. Challenge yourself to swap out all junk food for a variety of wholesome nuts. Instead of reaching for chips, cookies, or candy, fill your snack bowls with almonds, walnuts, cashews, or pistachios. This simple change can have a profound impact on your brain chemistry and overall well-being. The first few days are often the hardest. You might find yourself craving the instant gratification and dopamine rush that junk food provides. It's normal to feel a sense of loss or even frustration as you resist the urge to indulge in your usual treats. During this initial phase, cravings can intensify and mood swings may become more noticeable. You might feel irritable, restless, or even a bit down as your body and mind adjust to the absence of sugar and processed snacks. But by day 3, subtle changes begin to emerge. Your energy levels start to stabilize, and those intense cravings gradually lose their grip. You may notice that you're not thinking about junk food as often, and your mood starts to even out. As you continue, your ability to focus improves. By day 5, mental clarity becomes more apparent, and you might find it easier to concentrate on work or studies. Your mood lifts, and you feel a growing sense of accomplishment for sticking with the challenge. By the time you reach day 10, the transformation is remarkable. You feel energized, focused, and in control of your choices. Your body feels lighter, and your mind is clearer than it's been in a long time. Your brain has started to adapt, breaking the cycle of dependency on junk food. You've retrained your taste buds and your reward system to appreciate healthier options. This 10-day reset isn't just about changing what you eat. It's about reclaiming control over your habits and setting the stage for a healthier, more mindful approach to eating that can last a lifetime. Choosing nuts over junk food reconnects us with our ancestral roots. Our ancestors thrived on nuts, seeds, and natural foods, fuel for survival and brain power. Nuts align with our biology, offering balanced nutrition our bodies recognize. This supports both physical and mental health, honoring our evolutionary heritage. Replacing junk food with nuts is a step toward holistic well-being. Swapping junk food for nuts is a powerful act of self-care. This simple change can transform your brain, body, and habits. Mindful eating breaks the cycle of junk food addiction. Each handful of nuts is a step toward better health and clarity. Start today, embrace conscious choices, and feel the difference. Small changes lead to a healthier, more balanced life.